Hello, dreamers and food lovers. Have you ever tasted a dish so perfect that it left you speechless? Now, that's the magic of Michelin Star chefs, artists who transform simple ingredients into masterpieces. So, today we'll explore the journey to becoming one of these culinary legends. Have you ever watched a cooking show and thought, I can do that? Or maybe you've imagined creating art on a plate that leaves people speechless. Well, today we'll explore how you can turn that dream into reality and earn the culinary world's highest honor, a Michelin star. As celebrity chef Julia Child once said, you don't have to cook fancy or complicated masterpieces, just good food from fresh ingredients. And yet, Michelin star chefs do more than just cook, they create unforgettable experiences. So, hello all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students to help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. Now, earning a Michelin star isn't just about making delicious food, it's about creating an unparalleled dining experience. Michelin stars are awarded to restaurants based on factors like the quality of ingredients, mastery of cooking techniques, consistency in food quality, and the overall dining experience. Remember, a Michelin star is not a personal award, but a recognition for the restaurant. As a chef, your leadership, creativity, and hard work contribute to earning and maintaining those stars. So, while some chefs learn on the job, a formal culinary education can fast track your journey. So, culinary schools provide technical skills, that is, knife handling, plating, and food safety, then exposure to cuisines, learn global cooking techniques and flavors, then networking opportunities, meet mentors and peers who can open doors to prestigious kitchens. So let me tell you some top culinary schools in the world. Le Cordon Bleu, Paris, that's based in France. Then Culinary Institute of America, of course, based in US. Then Epicius, that is International School of Hospitality, based in Italy. And the Oberoi Center of Learning and Development in India. Chef Vikas Khanna, now a Michelin star chef, began his career in India before honing his skills abroad. His journey is proof that with the right education and determination, you can achieve greatness. Now, let me share a step by step template to become a Michelin star chef. Now, here's a roadmap to guide your journey. First, discover your passion. Start by identifying your love for food. Experiment with home cooking and explore different cuisines. Then, second, get formal training. Enroll in a reputed culinary school to master foundational skills. Then, third, gain experience. Work in professional kitchens, starting as a commis chef or kitchen assistant. Learn from experienced chefs and improve your techniques. Then, four, master your craft. Develop expertise in a specific cuisine or cooking style, such as French, Italian, or molecular gastronomy. Then, fifth, build your network. Attend culinary events, participate in competitions, and connect with industry professionals. Then, sixth, create your signature style. Innovate and develop unique dishes that reflect your culinary identity. Then, seventh, lead a kitchen. As you gain experience, take on leadership roles and learn to manage a team. Then, eight, aim for excellence. Work at top tier restaurants known for their quality and ambience. Consistency and creativity will pave your way to Michelin recognition. Now, let me tell you, The innovative cooking techniques. Yes, Michelin star chefs use advanced techniques to elevate their dishes. Here are a few you should master. The sous vide cooking, that is, ensures precise cooking by vacuum sealing food and cooking it in a water bath. Then, molecular gastronomy combines science and cooking to create unique textures and presentations. Then, fermentation that adds depth and complexity to flavors. As Heston Blumenthal, a Michelin starred chef, says, cooking is an art, but all art requires knowing something about the techniques and materials. So, the quality of ingredients can make or break a dish. So, Michelin chefs focus on seasonal ingredients for freshness because that ensures the best taste. Then, sustainability because ethically sourced products resonate with today's conscious diners. Then, exclusivity, unique ingredients can set your menu apart. So, Michelin chefs often travel to source their ingredients. Imagine visiting Japan for fresh tuna or Italy for aged balsamic vinegar. A Michelin level menu is more than a list of dishes, it's a story. Chefs use seasonal themes, highlighting the freshest produce. Then they flavor balance, ensuring harmony between sweet, savory, and umami. Then they add a personal touch, that is, share your story through your food. Then cultural influences, incorporating heritage and modernity. So here's a pro tip: simplicity often wins. As chef Alan Ducasse says, simple ingredients treated with respect. Put them together and you'll always have a great dish. As a head chef, you'll oversee everything from dish preparation to team morale. Strong leadership skills are crucial. Running a kitchen is like conducting an orchestra. You need to manage staff to build a team of passionate and skilled cooks. Then, time. Keep dishes coming out hot and fast during service. Then, stress. Stay calm under pressure. Then, ensuring all dishes meet the highest standards. Motivating and mentoring your team and maintaining efficiency during peak hours. So, Michelin stars aren't just about food, they're about the whole dining experience, which starts in the kitchen. So, creativity is your best tool. Experiment with flavors, textures, and presentations. Look at the chef Gagan Anand, who created dishes like edible balloons. As Walt Disney said, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So get experimenting. At the end of the day, your food is for the people. Michelin star chefs understand that dining is about the experience. Here's how to ensure they leave impressed with the ambience, lights, music, and decor matter. Then service, warm, attentive staff makes all the difference. And surprises, complimentary amuse bouche or a chef's special can wow your guests. Long hours, pressure to innovate, and harsh criticism are part of the journey. Yet, perseverance pays off. Remember, every star chef has had their share of bad reviews. So, Chef Thomas Keller once said, a recipe has no soul. You, as the cook, must bring soul to the recipe. So, the culinary world is demanding, but mental health matters. So, take breaks when needed, pursue hobbies outside the kitchen, and remember, a happy chef makes the best food. So stay ahead by adapting to trends like plant based menus, vegan and vegetarian dishes are trending. Then sustainability, reduce waste and use eco friendly packaging. Then tech integration, think robotic chefs or AI powered menus. So stay updated because the future of food is evolving. Then seek mentors who inspire you. Their guidance can shape your career and teach you invaluable lessons. Even legends like Gordon Ramsay had mentors who believed in them. Then travel broadens your horizons and adds depth to your dishes. Visit food capitals like Tokyo, Paris, or Bangkok to experience diverse cuisines. Embrace sustainability to align with the future of gastronomy. Then Michelin chefs are now embracing healthy cooking and sustainability. Focus on balanced nutrition, less butter, more wholesome ingredients, then eco friendly practices, that is, composting and minimal packaging. And let's talk about the earning potential. The earning of a Michelin star chef varies widely. In India, it's like 8 to 20 lakhs per annum for head chefs at the high-end restaurants. And abroad, it's around 60 to $100,000 per annum in Michelin starred kitchens with top chefs earning even more. Earning a Michelin star can also boost your brand, opening doors for TV shows, cookbooks, and endorsements. So, becoming a Michelin star chef is a journey of passion, dedication, and creativity. It's not just about the fame, it's about making a difference in the world of gastronomy. So, do you have what it takes to be a Michelin star chef? The road is tough, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, it's not just about the star, it's about the passion you pour into your food. As Anthony Bourdain said, skills can be taught, character you either have or you don't have. So, what's stopping you? Begin your journey toward Michelin stardom today. Share this podcast with the foodie friends and let's inspire more dreamers to turn their passion for cooking into a shining career. And if you've been inspired by this episode, start your culinary journey today. Research schools, practice your skills, and never stop dreaming. So, thank you for tuning into the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. Until next time, keep cooking, keep dreaming, and keep shining.